How's it going, y'all? Scott Grossman, project manager for the Clear Creek Canyon Park project we have going on. We're just in the entrance to Clear Creek Canyon, US 6, and we're taking advantage of the stay-at-home order and the lighter traffic loads and installing some new culverts underneath the highway. We're going to put a new trailhead just to my right here. It's going to have about 130 cars. To do so, we need to take care of some of the stormwater that currently exists here. So, replacing an old round corrugated metal pipe, and we're replacing it with some newer concrete pipes to take the water more efficiently and take it into an area that works a little better for our new setup and our new trailhead. You can see, open up the highway, we have one lane closed directing traffic in the other, but it works really well with the stay-at-home order. Significantly less traffic, about 70% less than normal. So the crews are just excavating. You see all the old years and years of asphalt, opening everything up, make room for our new pipes. So we're here at what will soon, but 1 year from today, be the new Mouth of Canyon trailhead for Clear Creek Canyon Park. Flush restroom, a couple shade shelters, about 130 parking spaces, so good size, really be that gateway and that entry into the park. For years and years, we've had a dirt parking lot here. That's just more of a pullout, informal, houses about 50 cars. We're gonna formalize this at about a little over 130 cars. It'll also be first trailhead within Clear Creek Canyon that can actually take oversized vehicles. So you'll be able to park a trailer in here. You'll also be able to turn a trailer around in here. So let's walk and take a look at things and go check out some of the future trail. So this berm here was just all fill from a landslide that came down on the northwest side of the intersection of US 6, Highway 58 and Highway 93. And instead of trucking it off site, they just kind of dumped it here in this berm. So we're gonna drop this berm upwards of 25 feet to flatten the area out to make room for our new trailhead. What you see right here are 72-inch concrete pipes. As we walk down, you'll see what was the open church ditch. In order to make room for the trail, we piped the ditch and are putting the trail on top of it. Let's walk on down. So what we're walking down now will someday be the future segment of the Peaks Plains Trail. This lonely concrete box is where all of our pipes come together. So the pipes we just saw underneath US 6 will bring water from the north side of 6 to the south side of 6, and then via a swell into a pipe that will connect into this. So you have a pipe that runs under US 6 for the church ditch. We just piped the church ditch, and then our stormwater all tying in together here. So 3 pipes coming into one and then heading east from here under US 6. So you can see our new pipe, the existing pipe, and then underneath right in here is where our pipe from the stormwater will tie in. So yeah, you get an idea, those 72-inch pipes run right underneath us here. And those are all gravity fed as well. So our parking lot will be up above. We'll have a set of stairs that will drop you roughly right about here. So when you're in the parking lot, the trailhead, if you don't want to take the trail out, you want to go fast, or you're on the trail and want to go out, there'll be a set of stairs here, and then another set of stairs that we'll build in-house that will take you and basically line up. You can see the hole in the fence down there, the access point to the river. If you're in the creek and you want to go up to the trailhead, come out right there, up the stairs, and you're there, or vice versa. If you want to go tubing, there's your straightest shot right down. So we're further up canyon at our future Tunnel 1 trailhead. So about 35 cars. You see it behind me just starting to take shape. It will be a one-way entry, so you'll enter on the west and then exit on the east. As we spin around across the way, you can see a rock cut. In order to get vehicles safely in so that we have deceleration turn lanes into the trailhead, we had to cut this rock face a little bit just to be able to widen the trail. And as we span around, you can see construction, some of the most difficult construction that we have. This is putting new trail in along the old highway embankment here. Really steep, really rocky. Some of the more difficult construction that we have going on. Looks simple right now, but it's a little bit of wall construction. Across the way, you can see the finished wall. So they go together just like Legos, one on top of the other. And then just behind them, you can see our Jeffco Open Space Trails team working on some stone steps that'll connect the concrete trail up to the wooden flume of the Welch Ditch and the Canal Zone climbing area. Really cool stuff. We'll go take a look at that here soon. So we moved to the other side of the creek. We're on the south side now, on our south side trail. We're at the western extent of it at our soon-to-be installed new bridge. It's gonna be 168 feet long and connect from the south side trail to the north side trail and our new Tunnel 1 trailhead that's going in across the way. We were just looking at the other side of the wall. That's what it looks like from this side. Big engineering feat to hang this one off of this rock face. So it's all cantilevered. You can see the steel beams, and this will connect into our bridge. So you'll go from MSE wall to cantilever trail with some overlooks into our bridge, 168 feet going across the creek. As we wander back this way, you can see some of the work that we're doing in-house with our trails team. You saw what they were doing from across the way, but they're building some pretty fantastic stone stairs to connect the concrete trail up to the wooden flume of the Welch Ditch, and then the earthen section of the Welch Ditch Trail that heads that way over to Canal Zone climbing area. So let's go take a look. So here you go. New set of stairs, Nathan on there for scale.
Scott, you want to test drive it?
I'd love to see you come down. Maybe we can interview you, talking about how you guys build this, how it all comes together, how you actually move each rock.
So this was a pretty big project. All of this stone we picked out of the quarry that's just on the north side of the canyon. There's about 45 to 50 pieces of stone that we picked out. And then just one truck at a time, we brought it in here, laid it out so that we could reach it with our excavator. And then most of this stone we've placed with the excavator. And then there was just a certain point where we couldn't reach up higher anymore. So what we ended up doing is making a dirt landing zone. So now we place each stone at the dirt landing zone. And then we hook it up to our grip hoist with the tripod up above and just hoist each stone up. As you can see down here, we have 4 to 5 stones per layer. As we've gotten up there, it's much smaller, so it narrows in. Now we're up to 3 stones per layer. We have a step stone and then 2 sidewalls.
Well, that's it. Thanks for joining us on this update. Hope you enjoyed things, got an inside view of what's going on out here. And we look forward to seeing you again. We'll be back next month. Take care, be safe, be healthy.